Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wire Network. In this video, I'll show you how to set up secure remote access using RustDesk and Tailscale, all without any port forwarding or complicated server setups. This method is perfect for securely accessing your PC from anywhere, with no open ports and no cloud servers, just private, encrypted access through Tailscale's VPN. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and configure RustDesk for Windows. Open your browser and navigate to the official RustDesk website. On the homepage, click the Download button. Next, click the Download for Windows. The download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer to start the installation process. Click Next on the welcome screen. Next, accept the terms and license agreement, then click Next. Choose the installation folder and click Next. Click Install to begin the installation process. After installation, click Finish to close the setup wizard. The RustDesk application will automatically launch. Next, click on the hamburger icon to open the Settings menu. Go to Security menu. Next, unblock Security settings. Next, set up username and password for unattended access. You'll need to set up unattended access so you can connect remotely without having to approve the connection every time. Next, go to the ID section in RustDesk settings and enable direct IP access to connect via your Tailscale IP, ensuring secure remote access. Step 2. Install Tailscale on Windows PC. Open your browser and navigate to Tailscale official website. Next, click on the Get Started, It's Free button. Next, sign up for Tailscale using your Google account. Choose your Google account to proceed. After signing up for Tailscale, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions. Simply answer these questions to continue with the sign-up process. Next, Tailscale will prompt you to add your first device. To do this, download Tailscale for your Windows device. Once the download is complete, go ahead and run the Tailscale installer. Once the installation is complete, simply close the installation wizard. Next, launch Tailscale and click the Connect button. Finally, you've successfully logged into Tailscale. Now you've got a Tailscale IP for your main PC, which we'll use to connect securely from the remote PC. Write down this IP, it's essential for the next step. Next, install Tailscale on your remote PC by following the same steps you just went through. Once Tailscale is successfully installed on both computers and they show up on the Tailscale dashboard, you can access each other's network by using their IP addresses. Step 3. Connect via Tailscale IP. Now that both PCs are set up, let's connect. Next, open RustDesk on your remote PC. Instead of entering the RustDesk ID, type in the Tailscale IP address of the main PC. Enter the password of the remote PC. You're now securely connected to your remote device using its Tailscale IP address. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from a secure remote desktop solution. Drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below, I'll be happy to help.